Hello children! Today we are going to learn the letter I. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter I. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for inkpot. I for insect. I for injection. This is the letter I. Reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. Sarah is sitting on the chair in front of an igloo. She is eating ice cream and looking at the insect, injection and inkpot. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Tell the students about the insects. They are different in size and color. Some are very harmful. T. Listen to the letter I by watching video. E. Make an ice cream with the help of chart paper. A. Draw and color inkpot on a chart paper. M. Count objects beginning with the sound I around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. I-C-H, itch. I-N-K, ink. I-C-E, ice. Well done, children. Goodbye.